ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Welcome to our next tutorial video of the series. We will cover lesson 2 of book 1 today, inshallah. In my book, the lesson 2 starts on page 12. This is a rather short lesson, and we will learn a few new words in it. And our first new word is أذلك, which means that. Notice that similarly to هذا, أذلك also has a hidden alif after the. So we say ذلك, not ذلك, we say ذلك. To ask what is that, we say ما ذلك. And to ask who is that, we go من ذلك. So ما ذلك and من ذلك. The construction is very similar to ما هذا or من هذا. All we are doing is replacing هذا with ذلك. Also, in answering these questions, we start with ذلك followed by the name of the thing or the person that we are pointing to. Let's practice using this word with examples on page 12. ما ذلك? ذلك نجم. What is that? That is a star. هذا مسجد وذلك بيت. This is a masjid and that is a house. Notice one thing here. The word and, which is wa in Arabic, is attached to the next word and there's no space in between. There are a few single letter words in Arabic besides wa, and we typically don't write such words by itself. We attach them to the following word, okay? Next example. هذا حصان وذلك حمار. This is a horse and that is a donkey. أذلك كلب؟ لا، ذلك قط. Is that a dog? No, that is a cat. ما ذلك؟ ذلك سرير. What is that? That is a bed. Now we are finished with page 12. Let's move on to page 13, starting from the top. The question is, من هذا ومن ذلك? What are we asking here? Can you try to translate yourself? The question is, who is this and who is that? من هذا ومن ذلك? I hope you got it right. The answer is هذا مدرس وذلك إمام. This is a teacher and that is an imam. So the first new word here is imamun, which means an imam. This is not so new, isn't it? The next example. ما ذلك؟ ذلك حجر. What is that? That is a stone. So here our new word is حجر. حجر, which means a stone. The next one. هذا سكر وذلك لبن. We have a couple of new words here. سكر means sugar. لبن means milk. Keep in mind that both of these words are still in indefinite form because of tanween or un ending. In English, we don't use an article a because they are uncountable. But in Arabic, the sign of indefiniteness is still there. So the translation then would be, this is sugar and that is milk. Now, let's do the exercise. We have sentences with no vowels, so we are learning how to read them properly. You know the drill. I will bring in the picture while you read it, then I will read it for you. Number 1. هذا سكر وذلك لبن. This is sugar and that is milk. Number 2. من ذلك؟ ذلك إمام. Who is that? That is an imam. Number 3. أذلك قط؟ لا، ذلك كلب. Is that a cat? No, that is a dog. Number 4. ما هذا؟ هذا حجر. What is this? This is a stone. All done. At the bottom of the page, we have a list of new words. Imamun is an imam. Hajarun is a stone. Sukkarun is sugar. And labanun is milk. Try to review this lesson a few times until you feel comfortable with the new words we learned, okay? Because we will start using them in different ways in the following lessons, inshallah. We are ready to start lesson 3 next time, and until then, Assalamu alaikum.